guys, welcome back. In this module, we are going to discuss that how can you do a reset of an MPC. So let's begin. So first of all, we need to know under what circumstances you would consider resetting an MPC and what does resetting MPC mean. Okay, so first thing is, let's say the MPC you doubt is not functioning correctly, which could be evident first of all from the LED here. If the LED is showing you red color, permanent red color here, then this shows that there is a fatal issue or fatal error with the MPC. Now suppose this MPC is working like CCU1, so MPC CCU1. Now that means unit number 1 is not functioning now because the CCU1 is not working. So all the functions related to unit 1 will not happen. For example, FIVA will not work. There will be no fuel injection, no exhaust valve operation, no starting air valve operation, no cylinder lubrication. So in that case, what you can do? In case when there is a red lamp or red LED here, then you can try your luck and press the reset button and hope that this solves the problem. How do you do the reset?
Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT-Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the description box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata Di.
If you look on the side here, you will see these color dip switches, and beside that there is a push button here. This black push button is spring loaded. So just like you reset the modem or router at your house, same like this here, you just have to put your finger and you just press it for 1 second and that's it. And then you will see the MPC is trying to reset or reboot itself. Now, is it risky to do it? Not so, because first of all, when there is some fatal error with the MPC, it is already not working. So when the MPC is already not working, let's say unit number 1, it is CCU1, it is already not working, unit is not firing, so nothing is happening with that unit. Now obviously pressing this button will not do anything further bad. Okay. Also, reset does not mean the resetting of the settings here, or nothing happens to the program, nothing happens to the settings. So you can actually do a reset of the unit of the MPC which is not performing well. However, if let's say you press a reset button, in case the MPC was already functioning, in that case it will cease to function or it will stop functioning for some time till it reboots itself to again a normal position. So you are not going to press the reset button in case MPC is working. If it is not working or you sense some doubt with MPC, let's say it is partially working, in that case you can try pressing the reset button. But in those cases, be sure that you are not maneuvering. Either you are in port or you are in RFA condition. In that situation, you can try pressing the reset button. And the reset basically kind of refresh. It's kind of a refresh, just like a modem and router. So here also it will kind of reboot the system. And if there is some hung task or subroutine task that was frozen or some internal error has come, so that is kind of that will refresh itself and it will try to reset itself to a correct position. So many a times we have seen that pressing the reset button saves you. Same like if your mobile phone is not working correctly and the moment you restart it, things starts to go correct. Same goes with your PC. So this is something like that only. You can always try your luck by pressing this button in case the MPC is either not functioning correctly, some of the function, or totally not functioning. Maybe there's a red lamp or red light. If, however, the pressing the reset button also does not solve the problem and you still continue to see a red light in the MPC, then it's better to change the MPC with the new one. So that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.